Hey, it's Michaela. So today I'm doing a video on how you can stretch your jeans. So I have two items with me today. I have these, which look real weird on camera. Anyway, so I have these and I have a denim skirt. I am a size 8. My waist is like 73 centimeters. And I had my eye on these jeans for a very long time, and they were on sale. And what were they? They were originally like 180 or something ridiculous from Topshop, and then they were reduced to 65 and then reduced to 40, I believe. So I've had these forever. The tag is still attached because W26 which is a size 6, and I'm not a 6. I'm like, no, definitely not. So a size 6 is like 61 centimeters. So that's like, I can get them on, but I can't move, I can't sit down, I can't function, hence why I haven't worn them. Yeah, so that's like a over 10 centimeter difference. So I'm gonna show you how to stretch them out so you can wear them, because these are sick. I don't know how to show you full length, so this is the best we're gonna get. So these guys, size 6, I'm an 8, maybe 10. And this skirt, which is a Glassons size 8. So I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna show you how you can stretch them out so you don't waste your good deal and you don't waste your jeans. Oh man, I've been going to the gym. I don't think they can even fit over my butt. Whew. Just. All right. This is the jeans. So, I don't know how to show you, but we can do it up, but it's like, can't breathe. So, I'm gonna do it up. I'm gonna show you, and just make sure they're in my booty. All right. So, oh, they're on. And you can see they're pretty dang tight. Anyway, so I would say get a spray bottle or go dunk them in the sink, because we're about to put some water on them. For the purpose of this video, so you guys can see, I have this, which I'm sure I'm gonna spill everywhere. So basically what you want to do is saturate the place where you want to stretch out your jeans. So my issue is the waistband, and to be perfectly honest, the booty, because my gym's been paying off. Alrighty, so, oh, I'm gonna move shit off the floor, otherwise it's gonna go everywhere. And rub it in. I think I'm gonna do my butt. Oh, this is gonna be hard backwards. Literally just wet your ass. That's disgusting. Yeah, I'm dropping it on the floor. It's all good. You can see they're real shiny. And make sure you get the inside too, because obviously jeans are double layered, so let's do that. It's kind of gross feeling. So you can already actually feel I've got a little bit more wiggle room. So you can kind of give them a little bit of a stretch out. And then you just want to do what you would do normally. Run around, have a boogie, make sure you do some squats and stuff, and wear them around till they dry, and they should loosen up. So I'll let you know how I go, and we'll do the skirt as well. Some lunges. Might need to do the knees. Why the f did I buy a size 6? Even if they are on sale. Guys, even if you see something on sale that's too good of a deal, they don't fit you, don't buy them. And I'll just pour it down my pants. Regret. Another thing, if you don't want to spill water everywhere, you can always just dunk them in the sink and then put them on, but they're really hard to put on once they're wet. So that's why I'm doing them when they're on, because it makes it a lot easier. And then just make sure you don't put them in the dryer. I mean, these you can't because they're embellished. Alright. I can't even lift my leg up that high. If you don't want to spill water all over your floor, I quite literally just got into my shower. I didn't turn it on, but I had that cup and I just went. So now we're even more soaking. I can't dance, so I'm not going to show you that. Whew, okay, I'm sufficiently puffed out. Now these aren't even dry yet, but I just wanted to show you if you can see the back. I can fit my whole hand in there sideways. So the back's all stretched out. The front is, it's pretty good actually too. But what I find is the main issue is the seam line along here. So that's what I've been trying to get. The top part has stretched quite nicely, but this part here needs a little bit more love. But super easy, super quick to do, and it means that you can finally wear those sparkly jeans that you bought on sale that don't fit you. Oops. So I should have measured beforehand to show you guys what the waist was, but I'm gonna measure now. And let's see, because if it's supposed to be 61 centimeters, we've got a pretty good idea. Can we just... What is that? I swear this is not rigged. One, done. Alright, so we're onto the skirt. Now the skirt waist is fine. Normally I have quite a lot of gaping at my back, but I'm sure you can see this awkward crease. So that's because of my thighs and my booty. So then as you walk, it keeps riding up. So we're just gonna do along here. We've got our cup again. You'll actually be able to see the color change on the blue denim, which is good. That was a bit more than I anticipated, but whatever. Now, ideally, I could have just bought a 10 in these, but I'm pretty sure it was Black Friday sales, and I was working in the shopping center, and I just could not be bothered trying on again, so I got the 8. And then when you work in a shopping center, you don't want to go to that shopping center, so I never went back and swapped it. Oops. Besides, I feel like I'm sort of the in-between size, so like a size 10 will be too big, and then a size 8 is like too snug. And to be honest, I'd rather an 8 because I'm not going to buy a 10 and sew it because I hate fixing things like that. So we just deal with the smaller size. That's a look, isn't it? I think that'll do us. So you can see it's where I wanted it to be. Doesn't look very flattering, but we're just gonna move around, stretch them out. I didn't do too much of the butt because it's alright. So yeah, we're just gonna let this dry and see what happens. Another tip you can do if you don't want to put them on, which ideally works for pretty much just waistbands, not any of this. If you wet the waistband and literally just pull it, stretch it. Do that for a little while, because almost all fabric has a little bit of give. Sorry, I haven't framed myself very well. So we'll just give this a nice tug, stretch across the booty. Cannot wait to actually finally wear these. That should do. So let me know if you give this a go, or if you've tried stretching jeans or any sort of, I mean this works ideally for jeans. Let me know if you have tried any other ways to stretch your jeans and how you went, And if you're gonna give this a go, if you're gonna give this a go. Thanks, bye.